Akufo-Addo cannot boy no or the Jollof di wonifie.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Ranch with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Akufo-Addo's 8 years has come to an end finally. Finally, the 80-year-old man can go into retirement. He can rest from public service. He's now a statesman. And a lot of commentaries are still coming in. People are taking a look at the 8 years of Akufo-Addo. Some people are extremely happy. Others are not all that happy. And there are some people also who are not happy at all. But anybody who is not happy at all with the 8 years of Akufo-Addo is an enemy of the state. And they are because Akufo-Addo has done his part. When the history of this nation one day is read, the name Akufo-Addo won't be forgotten. Because under his regime, under him for 8 years, Ghana has moved steps higher than it was. Now, when it comes to the issue of loans taken and all, we must understand that one of the reasons why we vote for leaders is for them to make decisions that ordinarily you and I won't be able to make. And sometimes that includes tough decisions. That includes decisions that might not be so popular, but that are needed. And it takes people with a tough skin to make such decisions. And that is sometimes the burden that leadership comes with. And Akufo-Addo has had to make some of these choices. Some of them very painful ones. But they were in the best interest of Ghana. Every loan MPP government has taken over the past 8 years, they can account for. Every single one of them. They can account for them. And there is nobody in Ghana that will say, the monies Akufo-Addo has taken as loans over the past 8 years, they have not seen one development or the other. Mention one district in Ghana here that has not seen a developmental project in 8 years of Akufo-Addo. Just mention one. There is no such district. Under Akufo-Addo, new districts were created. And with new regions were created. And with the new regions comes in a whole logistic procurement and stuff that are needed. Because you needed to build new regional coordinating councils and a lot of other stuff that needed to be done. And all these things Akufo-Addo has done for all the 6 regions. With the new regions, you need new regional hospitals. Most of the new regions have their regional hospitals. Those that do not have now have it under construction.
Cannot to Benz kotu ni fie. And Akufo-Addo cannot boy no or the Jollof di wonifie. What I say? Enti I want to mobo. This ekawe nyina most of ekana yabubo di Mahama 122. Akufo-Addo they are little above 600 billion. Ni nyina ye ka 40 to 45% here interest on debt. Enti one thing niamanasi put things, don't just throw figures about. Don't just throw figures about. Say issues na say ansa na yes I obey na pe wa kwakoye mistake bebre o ti so mo ba.
Western North, Savannah, Bono East, Ahafo, and all of them are receiving their regional hospitals under construction or completed. Some regions even now have moved from their current regional hospital to new ones. Some have upgraded, some have become a teaching hospital. All these things, it takes money to do. Road infrastructure. For the first time in our history, every district has a set of road constructing equipment under the DRIP project, District Road Improvement Program. Under Akufo-Addo, do you know the price of one caterpillar or one grader, one payloader and those things? So money was spent wisely into things that matter. Tell me one district in Ghana over the past 8 years that has not seen road construction. Just one district. And we are waiting for it. Every single district in Ghana over the past 8 years has seen road construction, road projects. Nowhere all over this nation has been left out when it comes to road. And it's for that reason that Akufo-Addo's government in the history of Ghana has been the government that has constructed the most number of roads, 12,000 plus kilometers of road constructed by Akufo-Addo. Number of interchanges, Akufo-Addo's government has constructed more interchanges than any other government in the history of Ghana. Tema interchange, Pokuwaa interchange, Tamale interchange, Takrady interchange, Flower Pot interchange, and the others that I think Nugua interchange. Many interchanges have been constructed by Akufo-Addo's government. Name them. Asphalt roads, Akufo-Addo government has done well. Projects like dualization of Accra-Kumasi Highway, dualization of Adenta-Dodowa Highway, several others. Sokode to Ho dual carriage. All these things, you need money to do them, don't we? Universities have been constructed. The University of Energy and Sustainable Development, that is at Somanya, constructed. The phase 2 of UHAS, that includes administration block, constructed. Bank of Ghana Auditorium, UHAS, constructed. Several other projects constructed. Now, when it comes to education, which we still continuing, you provide education for 5.7 million children. You give them over 1 million tablets that they should be able to use for their learning and stuff. You provide them with textbooks. You provide them with marker boards and marker for their work and all those things. You build dormitories for them. Some of them were provided with mattresses. All these things, you need money to do it. Whilst at the same time, you are paying workers, salary workers. And some of these workers, they were owed up to 3 years arrears before Mahama left power in 2017. So you have to come and pay all those arrears. Where do you get the money from? Sometimes from loans. So it is unfair. Say, only one will come and say, Akufo-Addo borrow more money than any other person. Look at the work he has done. Has he not worked more than any other government also at the same time? At least Akufo-Addo has not gone to borrow money to go and buy sanitary pads, as some people have done. And I'm sure they will be doing again. They have invested into productive sectors in the economy. You remember when Akufo-Addo bought those tractors for agriculture? All these things, you need money to do it. Buying helicopters for police service, you need money. Motorbikes, cars, you need money. Military, shallow water boats and all those things, you need money. A lot of projects have been done. Railway, Tema to Mpakadan Railway. For the first time, train has crossed Water River. All this is, you need money to do it. It is to boost the economy. When you buy electric buses, it's not money that you need. The biggest solar panel floating in West Africa. You need money to do that. Kaleo solar plant. You need money to do all those things. So every investment Akufo-Addo has made with the loans he has taken, we are able to trace them. And so we are going to hold Akufo-Addo in high esteem. He has done really well. People might not like him, but we know that the majority of Ghanaians are grateful to Akufo-Addo for how he ruled and led this nation over the past 8 years. We will miss him so much. We are going to miss him, and we are going to wish him a pleasant retirement. Every benefit that comes with his retirement, he deserves it. He deserves each and every one of them for the good work he has done for the people of Ghana. This has been your episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, cheers. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.